Welcome to the ultimate review of the 2025 Chevy Nova SS396, a true muscle car reborn with modern engineering while staying true to its legendary roots. If you're a fan of raw power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology, this is the car for you. Today, we'll explore everything from its bold exterior to its refined interior, powerful drivetrain, safety features, and pricing. Let's get started. Body panels. The 2025 Chevy Nova SS396 pays homage to its classic muscle car heritage while incorporating modern aerodynamic design. The body features sharp, sculpted lines that improve airflow and enhance stability at high speeds. Made from a mix of lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel, the panels contribute to improved fuel efficiency without compromising durability. Wide fenders give it that aggressive stance, while the low-profile hood showcases the performance lurking underneath. Headlights. Up front, the Nova SS396 sports LED projector headlights with an adaptive beam system. These headlights automatically adjust their brightness based on driving conditions, ensuring optimal visibility whether you're on a dark highway or a well-lit city street. The integrated LED daytime running lights form a sharp, angular pattern, reinforcing the car's bold character while improving safety. Taillights. At the rear, the taillights maintain the signature rectangular shape reminiscent of classic Novas but with a modern LED twist. Sequential turn signals add a dynamic touch, while the full-width LED strip enhances visibility. The smoked finish on the taillights adds a sleek, aggressive touch that complements the car's performance-driven design. Grille. Dominating the front end is a blacked-out honeycomb grille with an SS badge proudly displayed at the center. The large air intakes on either side aren't just for looks, they help cool the engine and improve aerodynamics. Active grille shutters adjust based on speed and engine temperature, optimizing airflow for better performance and fuel efficiency. Seats. Inside, the 2025 Nova SS396 offers premium bucket seats wrapped in a combination of leather and suede. These seats provide excellent lateral support, keeping you planted during aggressive cornering. The contrast stitching and embossed SS396 logo add a touch of luxury and nostalgia. Both front seats are heated and ventilated, ensuring year-round comfort. Dashboard. The dashboard seamlessly blends vintage styling with modern technology. A driver-focused layout ensures all controls are within easy reach, and soft-touch materials elevate the cabin's premium feel. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying real-time performance data, navigation, and driver assistance alerts. Retro-inspired gauges give a nod to the Nova's classic roots while incorporating state-of-the-art tech. Infotainment system. At the center of the dash sits a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Chevrolet's latest software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. A premium Bose audio system delivers immersive sound quality, while built-in Amazon Alexa and voice commands enhance convenience. Wi-Fi connectivity ensures passengers stay connected on long drives. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather, giving it a race-inspired feel. It features paddle shifters for quick gear changes and integrated controls for audio, cruise control, and voice commands. Heated functionality comes standard, perfect for colder climates. The SS badge at the center serves as a constant reminder that you're behind the wheel of an icon. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevy Nova SS396 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine. producing a heart-pounding 485 horsepower and 475 pounds-to-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated powerhouse is mated to either a 6-speed manual for purists or a 10-speed automatic for those who prefer seamless shifting. Acceleration is blisteringly fast, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.2 seconds. The active exhaust system delivers an exhilarating growl that gets louder as you push the engine to its limits. Hybrid option. For those looking for a balance of power and efficiency, Chevy introduces a mild hybrid assist system with a small electric motor. This system provides an additional torque boost during acceleration while improving fuel economy. It doesn't compromise performance but instead enhances low-end power delivery, making the Nova SS396 more responsive than ever. Airbags. Safety is a top priority in the Nova SS396, with 8 airbags strategically placed throughout the cabin. These include front, side, knee, and curtain airbags to ensure maximum protection in case of a collision. The reinforced steel frame further enhances passenger safety by absorbing impact energy effectively. Parking assist. Maneuvering a high-performance car like the Nova SS396 is easier than ever, thanks to advanced parking assist. This system uses 360-degree cameras and ultrasonic sensors to detect obstacles and guide you into tight parking spaces effortlessly. Rear cross-traffic alert and automatic emergency braking add an extra layer of confidence when backing up. Price. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Chevy Nova SS396 starts at $55,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded variant with all the performance and tech upgrades can go up to $70,000. Given its power, design, and features, it offers incredible value for muscle car enthusiasts. If you're looking for a car that blends heritage with cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Chevy Nova SS396 is an absolute powerhouse. Whether you're a collector, a weekend warrior, or someone who just loves classic American muscle, this car checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.